Well, I got my feet on the ground again. Made one pass this direction and one pass that direction, going about, I don't know, ever how far you think it is. And I found 3 tips and that's probably a base to a preform or something. Anyway, there's a few things showing. Here's a piece that it looks suspicious, but it does look like the back end's a little bit mangled. If it is a, yeah, it's an artifact. No, he's mostly there. But the point being is there's some things that's showing up, and I'm glad of that. It got a ton of rain. There's places in here I can't walk. Right out there at that end, a little bit lower than this where I'm at, and it's puddled up. The same way back the other way. I had to come around the edge of the woods. Over there's the creek, and the water got out in it. Or a smart piece back this way, so it's been plenty of rain. It got a whole lot more, it looks like, than what I got at my house. And we got an inch in about 15 minutes yesterday afternoon. It come a flood, but here it came more. Oh, thought I had a 5 action notched piece, but it's not. It's a flake. And I'll keep on looking. Yeah, I didn't see one. It's frustrating. Dang, ain't that pitiful. Man. Still, that's a killer piece. It's probably fresh. It looks to be. Man. That's just, I'm sorry. That's just ground so heavily. Man, that's killer. Sucks about that bottom. But it just is what it is, ain't it? Bummer. I'm glad to find it though. Well, hello. What do you think? Like a notch. Maybe him get wet again. Come on, baby. Let's have a good one. Just one. Yeah, he's damaged. Ain't that a bummer? Still a good looking point. I'll just take them like they are. What are you gonna do? Can't cry over spilt milk, man. I know. Well, I probably finally walked upon one that looks pretty complete. It's not just fabulous, but I'll definitely take it. Got a knifey, ain't it? Alright, I'll keep on looking. I've walked right smart of it and found a whole sack full of pieces and brokes and whatnot, so it washed out some stuff. So luck hadn't been my favor today, don't look like. It ain't over yet. Let's keep looking. I'm coming back up the other way. Found that right there. It don't look bad. Field tip. I'll take that though. See what else we can walk up on. Only hoping. I've had a lot of broken stuff today. Just a lot of it. We got one. We did. It's got some beautiful colors in it. I don't know if you can see them yet or not. I'm glad to have it. Sure enough. I might make a cleanup. I mean, most everything I've got is what I'd consider. Got two real good heartbreakers, but got some decent finds too. These right here is case worthy in my book. If I don't change my mind, them other two may go in the case too. I might make me a heartbreaker case one of these days, because I've got a ton of heartbreakers. I ain't never done that. Got a lot of stuff. It's got just a little fracture here and a little fracture there that if you ever watched any Barney, you could use your imagination. You could figure it right out. But, not that I cared for the purple dinosaur, but my kids did. Anyway, I'm gonna keep on looking. It's a sidekick haul, such as it is. None of them's perfect, but I think it's probably the ones I'm gonna clean up. There's the tool. All these right here I found this morning. Just big pieces and small pieces, tips, mid-section, just a whole 9 yards. That'd have been a nice day now. Anyway, I'll keep on laboring over the old stomping grounds for a few minutes. Just found this here. About 3 or 4 steps away from somebody else's footprint. They've been here while I've been stomping ground or sidekick. Didn't miss that one. I just flipped that out. Check it out. See what I've seen of it. Killed a freeform or blade or something. I'm going to start with what I found at the old stomping grounds first. It's a blunt, didn't know what it was when I picked it up, but cool colors. I had these up here with what I found today at the old stomping grounds from yesterday's finds. Collection tool. And y'all seen me find this in our video. Yeah, I walked over to those stomping grounds for just about a couple of hours and found these few things. It's a pretty cool. I thought it was once a preform, but I believe it's a blade because it's got a little bit of edge work on it. Not a whole lot, but some. Pretty material, yellow and multicolored. Greasy looking. It could be some pitch, I don't know for sure. It won't come off. It maybe it's stained. Maybe where they had it hafted, don't know. I like it though. It's a cool piece. And then this stuff right here came from the sidekick tool, and that's a little broken up, and a couple of blunts. And, y'all seen the finds that I had there today. Just really sad. That's a nice tip on that thing. Got a little trigger right there. Of course, you can see it wasn't big wasn't big anyway. It's got a notch right there, a notch right there. Business hand would have done the trick though. And I believe the next thing I found was this sad thing right here, boy. That was old, so it wasn't perfect anyway. I believe it's a serrated, I believe it's a Kirk corner notch. I believe actually that's probably what it is. It's toothy. And right there appear to be fresh, both of them. And it's got a real slick base, you can see it. Ground really heavy. Could have been a pine tree. More likely it's just an old Kirk though. It's really nice. And then this heartbreaker right here, I mean, and just sad. And it's probably close to the same family. It could be Big Sandy-ish. Same corner. Yeah, we found this one. It's not great, but I'll definitely take it. Not gonna leave it. This is a good looking colored piece right here. It's not a special point, but it is a point nonetheless with some cool material. I like it. Stuff right there, whatever it is. And then this piece right here has got some really nice material on it. It's got the bullseye that is nearly translucent. I don't know that it'll show up. In here you can tell. I don't have a light shine behind it. You get the point. Oh. But anyway, it's a nice looking rock anyway. A calico colored. I like it. So it did, rain did wash out some stuff. Just unfortunately, you know, we have that happen. It's just part of it. And washed out some stuff over those stomping grounds too. So I don't know if I'll go back or not. It just depends on how much rain we'll get. I mean, this right here had some excessive rain yesterday. After I left, we got an inch here in about 15 minutes, but that down there appeared to have much more. And most time it does. It tends to get more than what I get. So if I get an inch, that down there probably got 2. But anyway, some of it was flooded, but most of it I could walk. Anyway, I've had a good time the last couple of days. Appreciate y'all watching.